From Boston to Tokyo and Tokyo to Bangkok, 20 hours of flight. I met Napha, or Monic as she likes to be called. I met her 6 years ago when I hired her to guide my wife and I around Bangkok. She's so professional, I just had to search her out on the internet and eureka! I found her! She was happy to guide me again, and she designed a magnificent itinerary for us in Bangkok. She had a beautiful 8-passenger luxury van just for us, complete with a cooler with all the beverages that you would like, provided by a professional limo driver to be our chauffeur for 2 days. Monic is a very intelligent young lady. She's been a professional guide in Bangkok for many years and the surrounding areas outside of Bangkok. And right now, we are on our way to a small coconut factory where they make all kinds of products from coconuts. Look at coconuts.
This is the flower that we saw from the tree, from the top one.
Oh, they took a piece off so you could see the
small little coconut. But we don't, they might keep some to get the coconut fruit. But some of the flower, we got a lot later and later on in one of chunk. What they will do, they will chop slice by like that he will carry together in every day twice, 2 times in the morning and in the evening time. Slice
to make them drip.
Yeah, and then hold this basket.
Okay, that's the one.
And then it catches the drips.
Yeah, to get the juice.
Cool.
Drop it, one drop at a time.
Each drop. But
Wow.
first,
Eat it? I love coconut.
Well, I like coconut when it's sweet.
I love coconut. It's fresh coconut.
Fresh coconut.
you can eat it fresh or mix with sweet.
Some
Some
sugar?
of Thai sweet. Or you can make a coconut milk
Yeah.
by put a little bit of water and squeeze it.
Yep.
Right now, we are on our way to the Meeklong Railway Market. It's a major tourist attraction where a train runs right through the market setting.